Friends, welcome in, welcome in. Make sure to use those handles and wave goodbye to all the beautiful people on the dock. Now wave goodbye to the other ones as well. Thank you. Alrighty, friends, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise where we put the fun and no refunds. My name is Skipper Josh, and I will be your guys' skipper for about 3 weeks. Yeah. Or for some of you, it might feel like a couple minutes. But to ensure that we have a safe cruise all the way up until the end, I do gotta ask you guys to just please remain seated and to keep your arm, legs, feet, hands inside the boat at all times, please. Parents, please watch out for your children, and children, watch out for your parents. I don't trust them. And one last thing, if any of you guys do drop anything in the river, please raise your hand up. I'll raise my hand up as well. And we'll both wave goodbye to it, okay, friends? Perfect. Now we can finally start off with the cruise, and we're going to start with a bang. Because over here on our left-hand side, we are going to have a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger now. They are known to leap over 20 feet, but do not worry, we're only 50 feet away. So he'll jump right over us. Oh, and just tagging along, we are going to have a trio of king cobras, some of the deadliest snakes in the world. Ooh, although they usually travel in 4, so we are missing one. That's not good. Honestly, friends, that is another boat issue. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to have fun, so we'll leave that missing snake for the other boats and just continue on with our cruise. And it looks like we are going to continue on through a secret bay pool full of Indian elephants. How exciting now. Do not panic. If you guys want to look or take pictures, go right ahead. They do have their trunks off today. Oh. When you stay in the shower for too long, that person, you become an elephant. Almost happened to me last week. Nah, I'm just playing. No. I don't shower. To the right, that is going to be Scorpion. Let's see, you guys are all going to get wet. So get ready. Nah, I'm just playing. Nah, Scorpion's adorable. You wouldn't wet it. No. He wouldn't wet you. We wouldn't wet you. Put you any danger whatsoever. So you guys have nothing to worry about. But if you guys don't mind, we are going to take a quick little detour just to check up our campsite. It is a jungle. As the one holding the gun, it looks like he's calming shots around here. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing to happen up here. We're just gonna make like a banana split right now. Hopefully we can get away from that. Hopefully the monkey did not hurt nobody. Okay. Friends, any of you guys get hurt from that? No? Beautiful. We can continue on with our cruise. If you guys look over here to the left, you guys are gonna see absolutely everything. The main spectacle is right in front of us. The great big beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous explorer and the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Albert Falls, yeah. But not to worry, my friends. If you guys want to see more of that, we'll go over it later. But for now, we'll leave that behind and go on through the Nile River. It is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. So if you don't want to believe me, then you're in denial. To the left corner, that is going to be the second most dangerous animal in this jungle, the African elephant. Oh, and to the right, we're going to have the most dangerous animal in this jungle, his mother-in-law. But friends, just like Schweitzer Falls, we are going to leave it now way behind. And more on through the African Belt, my second favorite location of this whole cruise. If you guys look up ahead to the right, you guys are going to see a variety of animals, but the ones I'm going to point out are going to be those zebras over there. Now, friends, fun fact, they are actually the oldest animals around here. You can tell because it's still in black and white. Oh, and just further along, we have another zebra over there, taking a nap on the lion's protection. Oh, how cute is that? We'll just let it rest in peace. We don't want to disturb them. Alright, oh. No. He's giving a VIP cruise. That's right, my friend. If you guys want to experience that, just buy me a couple $100 and I'll get you around that beach. Although, I can't guarantee you make out alive, but it is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Oh, no, I recognize this place. Do not panic, but we are entering the whole area. Only 5 minutes. But I did come to pass out, so you guys want to cover your ears? Go right ahead. I did it, friend. I scared that one stiff. You're welcome. But Do not worry, any animal over here. The animal that I just used is exactly like my mind. It's blank. So everything is A-okay. Oh no, everything's not A-okay. We have one right there now, yes. It is now 50% off. But sadly the monkeys are not included, so I'm sorry about them. Still thinking about monkeys. We were gonna have these two lovers over here up on the left. They are so in love with each other. They give each other butterflies all the time. Aww. But now, friends, that's the moment you all been waiting for. The reason you guys got on this cruise for the amazing, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. Woo! Oh, 2H, oh, 2H, oh, 2H. But now, friends, on the opposite side over here, we are now gonna have the front side of log. Woo! ROTK, yeah. It is one of our bolder attractions. But sadly, some people take it for granted, so that kind of sucks. But now that we passed all the wonders of the world, I do gotta be serious for a moment. This area right here was a piranha hawk, but you can tell there's some bones on the left, bones way behind us. But do not worry. The locals just told us that it's been inactive for quite a while sometimes. So lucky for you guys and lucky for me, we don't got to suffer the same fate as that previous boat. They don't. That's kind of awkward. There's really one on the left here, but I don't think one should be an issue. Oh no, friends. There's something way worse than a tree, friends. That is actually a python right there. You can tell it's a python because it's exactly 3.14159 meters long. Oh my gosh, okay. We're gonna go right after. Hopefully, do not take another one. I think that was another one to the python. That'll be so embarrassing. Alrighty, okay. Okay, do we have everybody here, friend? We have everybody here, okay. If we're not here, just scream real quick. But for the rest of us, we're just gonna continue on with our cruise. Over here up on our left-hand side, we are gonna have our world famous gift shop. Yeah. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. I know we didn't leave a bunch of monkeys in charge. Don't be silly. We actually left the elephant in charge. Yeah, and he's doing such a good job. He's about to get employed the monsoon, so congrats on him, actually. But now, friends, we are about to make the dangerous turn of them all. The return to society. That's right, friends. Sadly, our fun, romantic, Disneyland Jungle Cruise is not coming to an end, folks. As we approach the dock right now, I still have to guys to please remain seated. Have to keep your arms, legs, feet, hands inside the boat, please. But with all that being said, once again, friends, my name is Skipper Josh, and thank you all for joining me on the world famous Jungle Cruise. I really appreciate it. You guys have been amazing. Thank you. Make sure you have everything inside, please. Elbows in. Please, once you guys get out, go tell your friends, families, all about the world famous Jungle